Hello guys, in this video we are going to study about a microbiology topic, toxins and their mechanism of action. Very important topic. You have to remember it and have to make a list of it. Extremely important topic. So starting off with Corynebacterium diphtheria. In Corynebacterium diphtheria, the toxin is diphtheria toxin. And what is the mechanism of action? It acts via inactivation of elongation factor 2. Right. For Pseudomonas aeruginosa, same as above, inactivation of elongation factor 2. What is actually the toxin? Here it is diphtheria toxin, and the toxin name in Pseudomonas aeruginosa is exotoxin A. Right. Now coming to Shigella. In Shigella it is Shiga-like toxin. The name of the toxin is Shiga-like toxin, and the mechanism of action of it is inactivation of 60S ribosomal subunit. Right. Now coming to EHEC, enterohemorrhagic E. coli. What is the name of the toxin? Same as above, Shiga-like toxin. Right. SLT, Shiga-like toxin. What is the mechanism of action of EHEC? Same as above, inactivation of 60S ribosomal subunit. What for ETEC? Enterotoxigenic E. coli has two toxins: heat labile toxin and heat stable toxin. For heat labile toxin, it acts via increasing cyclic AMP. Right. It acts via increasing cyclic AMP. For heat labile, it is cyclic AMP. For heat stable toxin, it acts by increasing cyclic GMP. Right, very important. So it's like this: L labile toxin A. So LA, Los Angeles. I have remembered it in this way. Right. For Bacillus anthracis, the name of the toxin is edema toxin. And how does it work? It works by increasing cyclic AMP. Very important, cyclic AMP. For Vibrio cholerae, the name of the toxin is cholera toxin. Very easy. And it also acts by increasing cyclic AMP. Right. By activating G stimulatory. Very important. It activates the G stimulatory to increase the cyclic AMP. Right. Why is this important? Because in Bordetella pertussis, the mechanism is same. It increases the cyclic AMP. It is the same mechanism as Vibrio cholerae, but it doesn't cause activation of G stimulatory. It causes inactivation of G inhibitory. Right. It is very important. It can be tested. What is the name of the Bordetella pertussis toxin? It is pertussis toxin. Very easy. Generally, toxin names won't be asked. You will be asked the mechanism of action. That is the only thing that is important over here. Coming to the ninth one, Clostridium tetani. We all know the toxin name is tetanospasmin. Tetanospasmin. And in Clostridium botulinum, it is botulinum toxin. Right, very easy. What is the mechanism of action of tetanospasmin? It cleaves snare protein. It cleaves snare protein. Right, and it cleaves, in for botulinum, it cleaves GABA and glycine. Sorry, for Clostridium tetani, it cleaves GABA and glycine. That's why it inhibits the inhibitory pathways in Renshaw cell inhibition. That's why it causes tetanus. Right, and in botulism, it cleaves the snare protein and in the synaptic cleft, and that's why it cannot, acetylcholine is not released and cannot act the neuromuscular junction. Very easy. Now coming to Clostridium perfringens. In Clostridium perfringens, the name of the toxin is alpha toxin. Right, and what is the mechanism of action? It is actually an enzyme, phospholipase or lecithinase. Now coming to Clostridium difficile. Clostridium difficile cause pseudomembranous colitis. Right. So it has two toxin, toxin A and toxin B. Toxin A and toxin B have different mechanism. Toxin B mainly causes actin depolymerization. Right. And toxin A increases cyclic GMP. Right, this is important. Toxin B causes actin depolymerization and toxin A increases the cyclic GMP. Now lastly, coming to Streptococcus pyogenes, the name of the toxin is streptolysin O. And what is the mechanism? It degrades plasma membrane, and that's why it lyses RBC. So that's it, guys. It is the most important, one of the most important topics in microbiology, and you have to learn it by heart. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 till 8. It is most important. After it, 9, 10, 11, 12 are a bit less important, right? So remember it by heart, make a list of it. Thank you.